So today's video regarding HP Deskjet 2640 printer. I'm going to show you how to do a quick unbox and setup. Now switch on your printer, press the power button on, and now I'm going to install the ink cartridges to complete the setup. Now take the ink cartridges out of the packing. Also remove the orange seal which is at the base of the print head. As you can see here, this is the one, and just remove packing for both of ink cartridges, then we will install it. Now the ink cartridge chamber is present in the front of this printer, so you just need to open this door, and there is a hidden door as well. So once you open it, the cartridge chamber will move. Now we will install the ink cartridges here. So just slide in the color and the black ink cartridge one by one. So you will hear a sound, lock sound, that means the ink cartridge is installed properly. And once we do it, now close the ink cartridge chamber. Now I'll show you how to use this printer using its Wi-Fi Direct and to connect it with the mobile for wireless printing and scanning. Now the first thing is to press the wireless button. Once it starts to blink, that means it is in the setup mode. Now go to the Android phone or Android device you have and download the HP Smart app from the App Store. And once you download, then open the mobile or your smartphone Wi-Fi. I'll show you that here, just a second. So just scroll down, go to the setting, or just go to the Wi-Fi, select the printer's name, enter the password 12345678, which is a universal password. Once it is connected to the printer's Wi-Fi, now go to the HP Smart app. Now we have to add the printer here, and for that you see the plus button on the top. So there is a plus button on the top, you just click on that. You will see the name of the printer, and once you click it, it will add up here. Now click on the printer scan button. So I'll show you a quick scan. Now open the top scanner, place the page facing downwards towards the right hand side. So I'll show you that here. So once you do it, close the lid and go to the app again and click on the scan button and wait for the scan to appear here. So that's the easy way we can use it as a wireless printer, and it's really helpful if you are a student and if you just want more printing and scanning. It's quite lightweight and the ink cartridge is not that costly as like other HP printers. So hopefully you like the video. Thanks for watching.